Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your GoPro Hero12 to your phone using GoPro Quik App. First, install the Quik App, and after installing, open the Quik App. From the bottom, there's 4 icons. Let's select the fourth one, which is the GoPro icon. Next, let's tap the GoPro icon with plus sign on the top right corner. Let's select Hero12 Black. Go ahead and turn on your GoPro Hero 12. Swipe down, swipe left, then tap the pair device button. After that, your device should be in pair mode. Next, let's tap the connect button at the bottom. On the next page, you should see a message, "We found your GoPro." Next, let's tap the connect button. Once it's connected, you will have an option to rename your GoPro or leave it as it is. In my case, I will leave the old name for my GoPro. After saving it, it will give you an option to auto-upload your videos to the cloud, or you can just tap "I'll do this later" if you don't want to. If you want to turn it on, just tap Start Scan, and it will search for available Wi-Fi network. Next, let's select Wi-Fi to connect. Type your password and tap Connect. Once that is done, tap Continue. Next, it will give you an option to clear your SD card after re-upload. In my case, I will turn this on, then tap All Done button. After that, your GoPro Hero 12 is already connected and set for auto upload. That's it, and you're all done. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.